Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the PC. Back up your display settings and confirm your monitor supports the target resolution. Open CRU or another resolution editor and create a custom resolution with the desired width and native height. This forces a stretched pixel map. Once added, restart the graphics driver or reboot to apply changes. Make sure to disable any GPU scaling in the control panel so the driver does not override the custom mode, because that would prevent a true stretched image. Next, switch windows to the custom resolution you created and confirm games show that mode. Launch Valorant, then set its display mode to full screen or windowed full screen and choose the matching resolution. This ensures the engine renders at the stretch size. If the menu does not list the new mode, relaunch the game or refresh display modes. Once the match loads, check FOV and HUD elements. You may need to tweak in-game sensitivity, because stretched resolution changes perceived horizontal aim distance. Finalize by locking the refresh rate to your monitor's spec and confirming no scaling is active anywhere. If the resolution disappears after reboot, reopen CRU, re-export the extension block, and reapply. Some monitors require repeated saves. If stuttering or driver crashes occur, update or roll back GPU drivers and test again. A key troubleshooting tip: if colors or aspect look wrong, toggle GPU scaling modes and ensure the monitor's built-in scaling is turned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.